The second important question about Doug's contributions is that we're also living in a very unique moment in the history of architecture, where we've recognized, both for modernists and professionals alike, that it is not desirable or possible anymore to be designing in the practice of single buildings. That single buildings have been the demise of the civilization, in the sense that we've been building, 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 and building without understanding how buildings come together, how they make public space, how they affect the landscape, how they make harmonious ensembles of things and places that generate life at its best. And also, we have sort of demonized the idea that we can be talking to each other as a community about how we make place and places that are permanent, useful, and meaningful. And so the idea that then you become a campus architect and you're in the business of leading architects is a remarkable accomplishment, because you did not design any of these buildings, but all of these buildings are yours in ways that nobody could ever imagine in this room, about how yours they are, because you've been able to pursue the initial idea, the programming, the campus planning, the programming, the initial ideas, the development of these ideas, the construction of these ideas, down to the use ideas of these ideas, because you're also the director of operations, which is even more meaningful in this cycle of how one makes a built environment. So it's a remarkable thing to think that we have among us somebody who has not only made or is making buildings, but it's actually working in ensemble to make places that are beyond the usual conception of what a 21st century architecture is about.